So in today's video, I'll show you how to clean or replace the filter on your ROBOROCK Saros Z70. In order to clean or replace the filter, you'll need to open the lid on top of the robot, which is right here. It's attached magnetically, so it's very easy to remove. Then you'll find the dustbin. Now you'll need to open it by squeezing it like that. And now you can remove the filter by opening it from the, if you're holding it like that, from the left side. And now you should empty the dustbin, and you can rinse it with water. Now, what is important about rinsing either the dustbin or the filter, which we'll get to in a moment, or both of them with water, is that you should make sure that you let it air dry for at least 24 hours before putting it back in to prevent mold. Now, there's the filter. Mine's ready for replacement, but you can remove it by pinching, pinching here a little bit, and then you can remove it. And then you can rinse it with water. You can also use a brush on it to remove the dirt from it, the dust and everything. And also let it air dry for at least 24 hours before putting it back in. Otherwise it'll cause mold, which you'd likely want to prevent. Then you can put it in by clicking it like that. Then put the right part in first if you're holding it like that, with these bevels on the bottom. Put the right part in first, then the left one, and now you can put the dust bin into your robot. Now I'll put the cover on, and that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.